How to create the interactive legend. I'm using the older data set, so you see there's the American data in here. When you do this with the new data layer you're creating, it won't be there. Also, what I'm going to show you is really basic, and I think we can eventually do something interesting, but this will get you started. So when you are in your map, you're going to go to Share, and then go to Create a Web App, and then click on Interactive Legend. Create web app, and maybe give it some kind of distinguishing name, and then as you can see, I have been playing around with this. Okay. So couple things. One is it'll default to this express option. I always just get rid of that so that I can actually see what's available in terms of the real kind of work you might want to do. I'm not sure what they're talking about. I haven't seen that before. I'm not going to worry about it right now. There's this little thing down here, didn't pop up before, so I'm not sure what that is. But for now, let's just try this. So here you can see it's already working essentially. So if I just want to see the American and Canadian, I'm just selecting the ones I want to see. I can show all. Now, and you're going to publish when you're done, when you've got it ready. But there's a lot more you actually can do with this. You can go in here and look at interactivity and select and deselect different options that may be useful to you. So play around with these different things. So I just, for example, I hit boundary and it actually zoomed out. And I don't really want, let's just say, I'm sure you don't want your project looking that way. So I'm actually going to zoom back in, set it where I want it, and just make sure before I, however everything is set how you want it for viewers when they come to your project, hit publish when you're done, and then get that particular information. There we go. So copy that embed or that link when you're ready, when you have it published how you exactly want it, and that's what it'll show like on your project. So just a little extra information there. So anyway, I recommend playing around with themes and outlines and stuff like that, and see what you can come up with. And then maybe in the future we can look at this more closely. I know that there is actually, in here I saw it, I don't see it right now, but there's a time component. And so I'm wondering if maybe we can play around and create a map that also has time, and that might help you keep your data all in one place and not have to have two separate maps. So maybe that's something we can talk about down the road, especially when we have our new people on board who can really devote some time to this and helping you with your project more broadly. Okay, hope this is helpful.